Your phone has a secret 400 times microscope, and it only needs one tiny drop. Hey everyone, welcome back to Did You Know? By FactBite Daily. Okay, so this is one of the most incredible phone hacks I have ever discovered, and I promise you, you're going to try this the second this video ends. Your phone's camera, yes, the one you use every single day, has a hidden superpower. It can become a powerful microscope, letting you see the world in a way you've never imagined. And the key? Just one single tiny drop of water. It sounds too simple to be true, but stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how it works, and what amazing things you can discover right in your own home. Let's get right into it. The setup is unbelievably easy. First, you need to find a stable, flat surface. A table or a desk is perfect. Place your phone flat on its back, screen facing up. Now, open your camera app. Here's the most important part. You need to switch to the selfie camera, the one on the front of your phone. The front camera lens is usually smaller and sits flush with the screen, which is perfect for this trick. Next, you need a very small drop of clean, clear water. You can use a dropper if you have one, or just carefully tap your finger in some water and let a single bead fall right onto the center of the selfie lens. You want a nice dome-shaped drop, not a flat puddle. Be careful not to use too much water. A small, perfectly round drop is all it takes. Now for the magic. The water drop acts as a powerful magnifying lens. Once the drop is sitting on your camera, you're ready to explore. Take any object you want to examine, and very gently, very slowly, bring it towards the water drop until it just barely touches the surface of the water. You'll see the image on your screen snap into focus, revealing an entirely new, magnified world. It might take a little practice to get the hang of holding things steady, but the results are absolutely worth it. The water's surface tension holds it together, creating a natural lens that gives you this insane level of zoom. I started experimenting with things I found around my desk, and my mind was completely blown. First, I tried regular table salt. I just dipped the tip of a toothpick into some salt and touched it to the water drop. On my screen, the tiny white grains transformed into these incredible, glowing rainbow cubes. They looked like perfectly cut crystals from another planet, with light refracting through them in a spectacular way. It was mesmerizing. I couldn't believe I was looking at something so ordinary, yet so beautiful. Next, I decided to look at my own fingerprint. I gently pressed my fingertip against the water drop. The familiar swirls on my finger suddenly looked like a vast landscape of towering mountain ranges and deep valleys. The ridges were so detailed, so complex. It's one thing to see your fingerprint, but it's another thing entirely to see it magnified to a scale where it looks like an alien terrain map. It really gives you a new appreciation for the incredible complexity of our own bodies. Then I got even more curious. I took a single strand of my hair and touched it to the water drop. What I saw was astounding. The hair, which looks so thin to the naked eye, appeared on my screen as a massive, thick rope bridge stretching across the view. I could see the texture, the surface, even the tiny imperfections along its length. It looked like something you could walk across. I also tried looking at a piece of fabric from my shirt, and the individual fibers became a crisscrossing net of thick, colorful threads. Even a tiny crumb from a cookie became a rocky, porous asteroid full of craters and canyons. This simple trick opens up a whole hidden universe that's all around us, completely invisible until now. You can try it on anything: a leaf from a plant, a grain of sugar, a tiny insect if you're brave, the pixels on another screen, a piece of paper, a flower petal. The possibilities are truly endless. Every single object holds a secret, microscopic world waiting to be discovered. It's like having a science lab right in your pocket. It's not just a cool party trick. It's a genuine way to engage with the world on a deeper, more detailed level. Grab a drop of water and try it right now. Comment the coolest thing you zoom. I am genuinely curious to see what amazing discoveries you all make. What will you find in your hidden world? Hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out. See you tomorrow for more hidden superpowers.